In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete issues in Jira. Managing tasks and keeping your projects organized can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when old issues start piling up. Luckily, Jira provides a way to efficiently clean up by deleting multiple issues at once. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can do it easily and with confidence. To start, head over to the project you're working on. Once you're there, you'll notice an Issues tab located prominently at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on this tab. This will bring you to the section where you'll manage all the tasks for your project. Next, you're going to use the basic search to filter the issues you want to handle. You'll do this by clicking on the basic option. This search mode is user-friendly and should suit most needs without requiring complex queries. For our purposes today, we'll focus on bulk deleting the completed issues. To do this, you'll need to refine your search by clicking on the status drop-down menu. From here, select Done to show only those issues that have been marked as completed. Once you've filtered the list and only the completed issues are displayed, look for the three dots on the right-hand side of the interface. Click on these dots and you'll see an option that says Bulk Change Issues. Select this and you'll be guided into a process that allows you to manage multiple issues concurrently. Now it's time to select the issues you intend to delete. Go through your list and tick the boxes for each issue you want to remove. Once you've made your selections, click the Next button to move forward. You'll then be asked to choose an operation. In this case, we're aiming to delete the issues, so select Delete Issues and click Next once again. Here's an optional step. You'll see a checkbox labeled Send Mail for this update. If you want to notify your team about this change by sending an email, make sure to tick this box before proceeding. If not, feel free to leave it unchecked, then click on Next. Before finalizing the deletion, you'll have the chance to review all the issues that are queued to be deleted. Take your time to carefully go through this list to ensure there are no mistakes. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time for the final step. Click the Confirm button, and your bulk deletion will be complete. This process helps maintain project cleanliness and ensures you're focusing only on what matters now. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and happy project managing.